Welcome to our forest garden in Valentines Park, Ilford. We've been here since late 2020 in this magical space. The governing volunteer group is Carol, Rubia, Samia, Begonia, Oljai, Shilpa and me, Roz. This is the land that was gifted to us during COVID. Local Rakesh rootsman Rak has been our guide, an international expert in forest gardens and permaculture.
Today we're going to start our work on the forest garden. We're going to make a swale.
So today we're going to make a swale, which is a way to capture water and also to capture nutrients.
So we set to work. The area was mainly couch grass. We laid cardboard and created wood chip paths and separated out growing areas. Over time, we have planted 4 areas with plants to support biodiversity and low maintenance food growing such as berries and fruit and perennial veg. And here's the accessible Ellie's path. Over time, we have loved seeing the signs of biodiversity, lots of fungi, insects to hunt. Maybe you can see the eggs in the picture here.
I've just planted some Melissa in here.
What's Melissa?
Which is this lemon balm, which hopefully that will spread nice and easily. And I've also just planted some, this is a really amazing mustard green.
We just planted a pawpaw tree, which is quite big.
The forest garden is well loved and well used as a place to walk through, sit in, experience nature, as a meeting place, somewhere to jump and play on the stepping stones. And we have some lovely plants growing in our 4 areas. In 2025, we want to plant more. There are areas that are bare. Listen to Carol's video of her walk around the forest garden on a cold February morning.
Several of our areas are becoming quite well established and growing plenty of fruit. We have bushes of red currants and black currants and other varieties. And these look quite happy and full of green growth, but we have a couple of areas, this one over here and this one over this side, which really need extra planting. So
mycelium basically grows in woody material.
We also want to make a system which is self-sustaining.
Right from the start, we've run activities in all school holidays and half terms and 3 festivals. We refer to the forest garden as our outdoor community centre. So who do we plan to involve and work with and plant out and care for the forest garden in 2025? Everyone we're already involved with, hundreds, people from all walks of life and those on the margins. And we'll bring in our contacts in other transition town projects. In 24, we focused on developing partnerships with local schools, primary and secondary, homeschool groups and local Muslim Scout groups, hundreds of children and young people. This year we will work with all these groups of partners and are ready to work with the Homelessness Project, a women's group, and continue with Learning Disabled People's group. If we get the Q funding, we will be able to run monthly community planting sessions for native and biodiverse plants from May till October, on top of our weekly sessions. Excited?
It's from Zambia! Remember?
These beautiful paper dolls were left by unknown visitors. This space is magical, and the fungi and plants and insects are coming to it. We need help to bring more species in. These dolls are supporting our application to Q for funding.